Another fine vehicle offered by Classic Toyota. This is a 2005 Ford F-150. Strong, durable, and dependable. This Ford's list of numerous features includes power windows, cruise control, a CD player, airbags, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 68,000 miles. This truck's powertrain features a 4.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person. Classic Toyota is located at the intersection of Old Jacksonville and Loop 323, across from the Brookshire's Warehouse and Home Depot. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations and to ensure that you'll return for future visits.